Police officer Bonang Mgwenya arrested following corruption charges. National Police Commissioner General Khehla John Sitole has dismissed Deputy National Police Commissioner Bonang Mgwenya following damning claims of her alleged involvement in crimes. Mgwenya appeared briefly in the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court on Monday after she was arrested by the investigating directorate on charges related to corruption, fraud, theft, and money laundering. Following due processes, the National Commissioner initially suspended Mgwenya on 15 October, during which time a departmental investigation was conducted, said National Police spokesperson Brigadier Vishnu Naidu. Mgwenya was subsequently charged, found guilty and summarily dismissed on Thursday. The National Commissioner remains resolute in his efforts to clean the SAPS of any form of wrongdoing by members of all ranks, Naidu said. National Police Commissioner General Khehla Sitole announced that he had sacked his deputy, who is facing criminal charges including money laundering and fraud, after she was found guilty at an internal disciplinary hearing.